Hello my friends, greetings from Berlin. It's Andrea here, and I would like to talk to you about the forecast for the week July 10th, July 16th. And let us see what happens with Bitcoin. Do we have the same volatility? I think it is likely in the first part of the week because we still have Uranus square Venus, which is active. It's a longer term aspect, and we had also a Uranus influence on the BTC chart. And yes, you also noticed the dump that we got after July the 3rd, when the conjunction between Pluto and Jupiter for the BTC chart was exact. So all of these are still in the background, so please take this into account. Now, another influence that is preserved from the last week is the fact that we do have power points in the BTC chart which are activated, and they do not appear in the daily calendar because they would need more detail to look into the hourly influences, which means that still I would advise for caution from July 10th to July 13th, 14th, so that from 1 hour to the other the situation can change, so be aware of that. We do have short-term aspects that are quite tensioned from Mercury with Jupiter, with North Node Rahu, but we also have positive volatility from Mars, and we have also a very big event in the week on the 12th. So we do have the North Node Rahu transitioning into the tropical Aries. Now, if you didn't see my other video, I will link it as part of the monthly forecast, or you can visit my TikTok account also, where we have a separate video for this influence. And I would like to invite you to explore this from the point of view that Aries is the sign of innovation, it's the sign of the entrepreneur, of courage. So we already see some developments like the BRC 69 standard, which removes the data limitation for BTC ordinal inscriptions, and we do have also already ETH inscriptions, as you know. So yes, the competition doesn't sleep, and such innovation, especially in the world of art, so linked to art, to NFTs, would be likely in the next months, because Venus would go retrograde from July 23rd to September. Now, for the week, we expect for BTC a dump on the 10th, maybe in the second part of the day, UTC or 11th. Please note that the daily aspects are also valid one day before, one day after, so not only on the day when they are exact. And we do have then on 11th, 12th especially volatility, but also the chance to see price increases, as you can see from the calendar marked with green. We do have also 14th, I think it's one of the most positive days for Bitcoin, and for ETH, the first part of the week it's more rough, so to speak, but then 14th and 15th really look promising, so the positive influence is stronger than in the case of Bitcoin. Please exercise caution. There are these hourly Uranus influences which trigger important parts of the BTC chart, therefore the volatility will be maintained. When you get peaks, then it's maybe advisable to cash in, and do not wait necessarily for the next, because drops are likely in between. Thank you so much for your attention, and wish you a great trading week. Thank you so much for your attention, for liking and subscribing, and until next time, be joyful.